ready to transform your raw data into a powerful visual story. Let's create a bar chart in Excel that will make your information pop. First, select the data you want to visualize. This usually includes your categories and the corresponding values, so whether it's sales figures per month or survey responses, highlight all of it. Now, head to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Charts group. You'll see an icon that looks like several vertical bars. €, that's our bar chart option. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with various bar chart styles for most comparisons. The standard to declustered bar chart is a fantastic starting point. Click to select it. And just like that, your data is now a bar chart. Excel automatically plots your categories along one axis and the values along the other, with bars representing the magnitude of each data point. But we're not done yet. Let's make this chart truly shine. Click on the chart title to edit it. Type in something descriptive, like monthly sales performance or customer satisfaction scores. To further enhance clarity, we can add or modify chart elements. Click the plus sign next to your chart to access chart elements. Here, you can add axis titles to label what each axis represents, or even data labels directly onto your bars for precise values. Want to change the look? Go to the Chart Design tab. You can quickly change the chart style, colors, or even switch to a different chart layout that might better suit your presentation needs. And there you have it, a professional, easy-to-understand bar chart that effectively communicates your data. This is how you make a bar chart in Excel, turning numbers into insights.